Welcome to this unidentified channel. Today we are going to be talking about Lori Daybell in court for the first time in about 9 months, and we're starting right now. I know we all saw it. She walked into the courtroom in her baby blue shirt, no mask, makeup on, and her fashionable green glasses. She had her hair done, and she was not in cuffs. However, she did have something around her wrist. So why wasn't she in the jailhouse stripes? She's just been put back in jail from the mental institute. Why not? I don't know. I mean, Chad Daybell never comes to court in stripes, so maybe, I don't know. I don't know how that works. Maybe they get to ask and the court gives them permission, but no handcuffs. We're talking about a murderer and no handcuffs. Why is that? I'm not sure. Also, in the video that Nate Eaton uploaded, that camera zoomed in on like the court reporter or the judge's name or things like that. And I was like, I want to see her. Why aren't we on her? So I don't know why that was happening either. I don't know if they were instructed not to be on her. I'm not sure. However, in the courthouse we saw John Pryor, Kay and Larry Woodcock. We saw Cresha, Kay's daughter. We saw Annie Cushing. We also saw Detective Ray Hermosillo in the courtroom that day. That is all the people that I recognized in the courtroom. If you saw somebody else, let us know. Another question is, where did those glasses come from? And if that is a different shirt, where did that come from? And why didn't the judge ask her to speak up or speak into the microphone? It was very hard to hear some of the things that she said, if you got to hear them at all.
Very well. Very well. All right, and have you seen a copy of that indictment? Had it provided to you? And have you had enough time to review that indictment with your attorneys? Very well.
Yes.
Very well.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Very well.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Very well.
Yes.
All right, finally.
Yes.
Very well.
We saw Jim Archibald there representing her with the co-counsel that was just appointed not too long ago. His name is John Thomas, and he is out of Bonneville County. He is death penalty qualified or certified, as we don't know if the death penalty is going to come into play with Lori. It has with Chad, so we assume, or at least I do, assume it will come into play. Why would it be any different for Lori than it is for Chad? So I do believe that they will go for the death penalty as they are with Chad, and that's it. We did not see Rob Wood at this arraignment or at the hearing before Lori's, which was Chad's, on the place or how they're gonna, the cost of the trial. So where is he? Do we know what is up with Rob Wood? Chad Daybell was also in court. I know I just mentioned that, but let's talk about that for a minute. Chad Daybell was also in court that morning with John Pryor, just talking about the different cost of bringing the jury to Fremont County or taking the whole trial to Ada County. They went back and forth on that, and the judge has not made a decision on that yet. We know that Lori, I know I'm going back and forth, sorry, it's just as things come up. We know in Lori's arraignment, she did not waive her right to a speedy trial.
Or what's your plan on the trial setting?
Yes, Your Honor, we have discussed it. She does not intend to waive her right to a speedy trial.
So her trial has to take place within 6 months. So when the court said October 19th, a lot of people ran with that and said that that was the date that the trial was set for, and then how ironic that it's Tammy Daybell's date of death or date of murder. And to my understanding, when I listened to it, the court was just saying that the 19th of October would be the last day that the trial could happen to fit within the speedy trial guidelines of it happening within 180 days, I believe is what the number would be, 6 months. And yeah, 180 days. And that the trial wasn't actually set for then. However, the trial has been set now, and I will get those dates. The trial is set to start on October the 11th, and it's going to go through, or they've blocked off through, December the 16th. The pretrial conference is September the 6th at 10 a.m. It is with Judge Stephen Boyce, and it is at the Ada County Courthouse. So, does that mean we're going to Ada County? Does that mean Chad Daybell is not going to trial with Lori Daybell? His name is not listed. Just for the record, the order that I'm looking at, dated April the 20th at 1354 hours 25 seconds, does not say Lori Daybell. It says Lori Noreen Vallow. What does that mean? I don't know. We have trial dates set for October the 11th, set out for 10 weeks. So it's going through December the 16th. I guess they're trying to get it done before Christmas. Got a lot of people that'll be tied up into this. So that's a good idea. However, I don't see anything has changed for Chad. And Lori Daybell is not on this order. It says Lori Noreen Vallow, and I'm not sure why it reads like that. If you know, let me know. What else has happened? Justin Lum posted something about Tammy Daybell. I haven't really had a chance to look into that, but I need to figure out what is happening with that, what that information is about. As for now, this is what we have. We got to see her. We know she's in jail. We know somebody's bringing her stuff as she has glasses. We know we're going to trial within 6 months. We'll see what happens. I did do a little research on this John Thomas, the new co-counsel that was appointed for Lori. He had some case, something come across his desk, and the guy had been convicted, and he just knew he was innocent, and he pled and pled and pled and worked with this guy, and it took like 10 years, and he finally got the guy free. So he is very persistent, and he goes after what he feels is right, in my opinion. So we'll see how all this plays out. I don't know when the next time we will see Lori will be, but we'll keep up with it and see what happens. I know the prosecutors asked for a scheduling conference for both of the case numbers. So as far as I know, that hasn't been scheduled. So we'll just keep an eye out and see what happens next. Well, I just wanted to jump on really quick and kind of run through what you already know, but I want to discuss it with you. That's why I'm here. I appreciate you for joining me. And as always, let me know where you're watching from. Hopefully, I'll get this video edited and out to you very quickly. Still very slow at editing, but here's where we are. So, I appreciate you for joining me. If you haven't already, let me know where you're watching from, and I will see you next time. He zoomed in on, or Kay and Larry Woodcock. Detective Hermosito or Hermosito. I did do a little research on, and it is in. All right, so we have trial dates set. We had Crescia. let me know. Alright, we have trial dates. Why wasn't she in jailhouse? Detective Hermosito or Hermosilo, he was also there. I know the prosecutors asked for a. It's not Rachel Smith. He has practiced in. Why would it be any different from? Something came out. This order that I'm looking at. What else? And she had on pants. Bye.